When we finally got down to something which the individual says he really wants to do, I will say to him, you do that. And forget the money. Because if you say that getting the money is the most important thing, you will spend your life completely wasting your time. You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid. Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
But California has a water problem.
Well, so long, Matt. It's nice knowing you. Cool. It's a little bit old-fashioned.
Off-roading in a Camry. Okay, so where do I go?
Right.
Right?
Well, that's where it is.
Down there? Okay, well I can't see where the ground is.
Go right further. Hold it. Just go slow. You're good. Keep going right. Keep going right. Keep going right. Keep going right. I will find my way. I can go a distance. Sick. Oh. That's so cool. I wonder on the road if we're gonna see El Capitan and Halftime and everything like from the road. Oh, see, there we go.
So, Alex and I just got to our trailhead, Porcupine Creek, and now we're gonna go get ready. And we're gonna pack up our bags, fill up our waters, and we're gonna go. 4.5 miles later, tell you how it goes.
We left at 12:45. 12:45 we left. And it's like 1:40. So 1:40. It's probably been like 2.5 miles. And I'm trying to stand at the low side just in case. Our bags probably weigh about 40 pounds. Whew. Okay, so the plan is, as I carefully walk down this, to get to that peak, right right there.
That one.
Yeah, good job. Following this random line of rocks.
I think.
Yeah, this is terrible. Close for like 9 minutes, I think it said. The satellite picture. Get on, let's go. Wait, so we're climbing up there. That's what we're doing. I shouldn't have brought this camera. Screw it.
That's pretty slippery.
Yeah. That was sketch.
It's so important to consider this question. What do I desire?